Hello everyone, welcome to another video on this channel. We're going to talk about Palantir again. Now, the stock is up nicely, 5.4% today at $14.70. Now, we talked about this stock last week where we were trying to find a bottom, and honestly guys, I do think we did find a very nice bottom. Now we only need one confirmation, and that confirmation is approaching. Now, first of all, before we're going to talk about the confirmation first about last week, so we did say that the 1380 level could be the support level. It was the low of the 31st of May, and look at that, we did get below it but then closed above that level on Friday. It was a nice reversal candle. Then yesterday we did stay above that level nicely, and today we're up 5%, so that's really nice. And what I was talking about, the confirmation, that's definitely gonna be the 20-day moving average right here, the orange line. It's currently at $15.08. Now, I don't think we're gonna close above that today, but in the upcoming days, a close above that level would, to me, confirm that we have a bottom here, that we are reversing back up, and that we are gonna attack the high. And the high was, of course, around $17. It was the intraday high of June 7th. So $17 from this level on is already a nice 10 plus percent, 10 to 20% gain. If you're talking about the high of the 7th of June. Now, also, of course, we do have a possibility that we're going to get a lower high and then going to kind of get a bull flag pattern. So I'm also kind of monitoring that to see if we're not going to break this level, if we're going to get a lower high and then potentially form a bull flag. So then in that case, we are going to have to monitor the 1380 again and potentially also the low of last Friday, so that's around 1364. So those levels we're going to watch if we're going to fail to break the 20-day, or we're going to fail to break the $17. So interesting times ahead for Palantir. Now, if we would break the support, of course, what I told was that we're going to look at the 50-day moving average. That one is currently at 1167, but as you can see, that line will gradually move up. So within the upcoming days, that level will also go up. So if we're going to come down later on, it doesn't necessarily need to be too big of a decline. Now, on the upside, of course, we are really interested in that. Now, looking at the weekly, we do see what you talked about, that in the end, eventually, we are going to be monitoring the 25 area. Now, that's basically the level we were in from February 2021 to around November 2021. That's like the average we're trying to get back to. And that's also basically the prior support level we had right here. So that was around $20. And I do think not just because it was prior support in 2021, but also it's something very psychologically. $20 is going to be a big, big step for Palantir to cross, and if we will be able to do that, it will be huge for the stock. And first $17, and then we gonna have to break the former support of the $20. Now, looking at the monthly, we basically don't have any guidance there on the moving averages side, just as on the weekly. Why? Because the stock is just not listed long enough for that. There's not even a 200 week moving average. So in that case, we only have the 20 and the 50 week, and those levels are so low at this stage that it's hard to look at that. And there's basically not a lot of resistance to the upside, which is a very positive thing for the stock. Now, technically, it seems like we have a nice bottom, and we can have a next leg up, which will reach to around $20 potentially. And if we could break that, I think on the long term, this stock will definitely settle back again around the $25, which is around the mean of that period in 2021. Please in the comments, let me know what you think about Palantir. Will we finally get that next leg up in the upcoming weeks, or are we going to fall back to around the $11, $12 level, or potentially even lower? Please let me know in the comments. Also, please don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe, and let me know if you want to see other stocks discussed on this channel. And then I hope to see you at the next video.